Alright everybody, working on page 446. I'm going to show you the count and the count blank functions. For this particular exercise, they want you to go along in your book, and what they want to know is how many coupon sales there were. So to use this, use what's called the count formula. Alright, and the column in question that you're going to use is the coupon column, column N. So the first thing you do is you go to home and you go to the formulas, you go to insert function, and the best way to do it is just to click on the count formula. Now if I went into most recently used, you might go to all instead. Okay, now once you've clicked on the count, next thing you do is hit OK. And for this particular exercise, we're going to find out how many of the cells or actually have values in them. Now I could count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, but the way this formula works, it will do it for me automatically. So all I have to do is select this column, okay, all the way to the bottom, okay, all the way to N30. Then all I do is hit OK. I get 11. That tells me that there were 11 spots within that range that had a value in them, or a variable. Okay, now for the next item, they want to know sales without coupon. For this one, we're going to use what's called the count blank formula. So all you do here is you simply select, you go to insert function, you're going to find count blank, which is right here. And all you do for this one, it's going to count the number of blanks. So all you do is select column N, once again, all the way to the bottom, and you hit OK. For this one, you should have got a 13. And that's pretty much all you do. Okay? They want to know what number. The problem is there's an X in the credit for each one that was a credit cell, and there's an X in the cash. So they want us to simply count these up. So to do this, we're going to use the count formula again. Okay, we use the Countif. So the way this is going to work is we're going to insert the function, which is the Countif. Okay, now once again we've got to select our sales. Since we're going to want to know how many credit card sales there were, we're just simply going to scroll over, and we're going to find the column Q, with the credit card with an X in it. That means it's going to count if it has an X. So we're going to highlight that group of cells. Okay, all the way down to Q30. And what we're going to do now is for our criteria, we're just going to type a letter X. Okay, and then hit OK. You should get a number 14. Okay, that's all there is.